Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's almost 9 a.m. in the morning. I am moving, guys. I'm moving from my current apartment. My apartment is in a mess at the moment. I have a lot of clothes washed, and I'm actually moving to a furnished apartment, so I won't be needing all the furnitures here. The apartment is fully furnished, so I have reached out to people on Facebook to buy some of the stuff. You can see the chair, the fridge, yeah. So I have a lot of things like really messed up here. So my kitchen is pretty much empty already. Yeah, it's empty already. I just have this little gas to sell, and the room as well, there are a lot of bags. I'm still trying to like put my things into the bag and stuff like that. So it's been hectic. Sometimes packing looks very simple when you're not doing it yet, but the moment you start, it's just like you can't seem to, you just want to place things in different places, and well, it takes a lot of time. So right now I'm waiting for somebody already bought the chairs. So I'm waiting, which is for me is like the bulky part of what's in the house. The cupboards are not mine. So um the person who is to pick up the chairs is on his way, and once this is out, I'll be able to sort out other things. So even if I say I'm going to, pack these things to the new house, because the apartment is fully furnished, there's no way I can put all these things. There's no way. So that's why I'm trying all my best to, sell them out. Um, Another thing I'm looking at is the fact that I'm yet to pack even the bags to the new house, because I don't know what is going to be left at the end of the day. So I don't want to like take the stuff we need, and at the end of the day we still have some stuff that has not been sold out, and we need to move because I have just like 2 days left in this apartment. So I'm also going to be disconnecting my internet. But definitely that will be the last thing I'm going to do when I'm sure that I wouldn't be needing it at all. So guys, this is the update for today. I'll see you later. Now the chairs is out of the way. Yeah, the driver came and picked them up. So I'm still, the house is such in a mess. So I'm still like trying to get some clothes because we washed a lot of clothes. So and it rained almost throughout yesterday. So most of the clothes are not dry, and that's why we kind of hang them up somewhere inside the house. So right now, I'll just dry them out, and while I clear up the remaining stuff. Hopefully, before I finish, it's going to get totally dry and I can pack them up. Yeah, everything is packed. You can see everything is packed. So I'm just waiting for the what they call it, for the guy to come and pack the things. And you see the fridge, everything, he has to pack it. So I have to leave here today, so meaning I'm going to be putting this at the backyard or somewhere in the new house and get the buyers come there, or transport it from there. So yeah, I guess this is the last day in this house. This is the third or fourth house I've lived in Rwanda, in Kigali. So things just keeps getting better. I don't know if I'm going to be recording the new house. Maybe not, because I'm not following the guide to that's going to drop the things. I'll just, I'll just send it, and then I'll stay back to, arrange the other things. And from there, yeah, I will do the needful. I just want to finish everything here before leaving. Make sure the place is okay. Make sure that I didn't, leave anything behind and all that. So, thank you guys. I'm exhausted. It's been 1 year in this house, 1 year and a few days. So, guys, see you later, or bye for now. Almost 5 p.m. right now, just like 5 minutes, 3 minutes to 5 p.m. And I've been waiting for the guy to come and pack the things, but he has been delaying. So I've been waiting, but my waiting hasn't been in vain, because while waiting I was able to make few contacts, and as you can see, see behind me, the things that I'm taking to the new house is not as many as you saw earlier. So it's not as many as you saw earlier. The mattress is gone, the gas is gone. So literally, I only have my bags. So while I was waiting for the 2 to almost 3 hours I've been waiting, I've been making contact, and I had someone who came to buy both the mattress and the little gas I had here. So it's gone now. I'm super super tired. I'm exhausted at the moment, and I just ate some biscuits, so it's like really messy in my mouth. So, anyways, so this is what I have left. I haven't been able to sell the big plastic, which is behind the green plastic, and I've not been able to find someone to sell the fridge. So, as I said, I'll be taking it to the new apartment, and if I find someone to buy, I can as well deliver from there. But it has saved me the stress of where to put what, and the less things I pack, or the less things I take from here, which are not really useful, the better. Okay, because I don't have to worry about where to put them in the new house, right? So, guys, see you later. So, guys, this is the room, and well, the guy said he's coming in 10 minutes. I hope he will actually be here in 10 minutes. But meanwhile, everywhere, the room, see, the cupboard is not mine, so the room is clear. The kitchen is clear as well. You can see that. So I just have this. Hello, it's morning and I'm waking up. I just, got up and decided to pick my phone to record. Yesterday evening was a hectic one. The moment I got to the house, I started arranging. So this is my new apartment actually. And this morning I said I was going to give a tour, or maybe I'm going to give a tour, but that would be for another video. So this morning I just, brush my teeth. This apartment is really, really nice. Like as I said, everything is included. In the kitchen, there's a full gas with an oven. There's a big fridge, refrigerator. There's a microwave. There's a TV. Everything is just there, and the house is so comfortable. The area is a very good area as well. So this morning I'll just dress my bed. I haven't put in a lot of, like, I haven't really arranged my clothes, but I'm just going to take my time to do that. But right now I'm super hungry, and I have decided to make myself some pancakes. So people prepare pancakes in different ways, but I in particular like it this way I'm about to make it. So if you prepare pancake in a different way, that's fine. But for me, this is how I like it. And probably I might explore other ways. I don't know. I'm not too experimental with food. So I just added my flour to my blender, my egg, and I'm adding a little bit butter because I want it kind of fluffy. So I really like using the blender to mix my pancake because it makes it really fast. You know, it's so fast, and I don't get to have the lumps from the butter or from the flour. So blender is just a great idea for me. So I'm just going to be blending these, and you can see that I was using the big spoon here. I don't know. I was supposed to use like a small spoon to check the consistency of the pancake, but I'm just too lazy to look for any spoon right now. So this is my pancake. You just put a little in the pan, and then you add some butter so that it doesn't stick. This is a non-sticky pot, but I just prefer to put in a little bit of oil or butter before I you know put in the pancake, because that way it's easier to flip. So this is the last portion I'm frying, and I can't wait to just eat because I am hungry, guys. I'm hungry. I didn't get to eat good food yesterday because of the moving, and I was so tired to cook in the evening. So I pretty much slept. I took a tea and bread at night before I went to bed. So finally, I have my pancake. Wow, isn't it delicious? Of course it was. So I'm taking my pancake with some tea and milk in it. So right now I'm done, and I'm about to go out to see the dentist. So guys, I have finished my breakfast. I've taken a shower, and I need to rush to Kibironko right now. I need to go and check out my braces. I'm here to tell a story about my braces, but I'm going to do that. So I'm going to. I feel some sort of irritation, so I'm going to, like, see the dentist, and from there I'm going to go into Kibironko Market to take out some stuff. Yeah. Uh, Probably this is the end of the video for today. So see you in another episode, or if I decide to record something else, see you later. Okay. So I'm about leaving the house. Oh, I almost forgot my key. I'm about leaving the house, and yeah. So I'm on my way out to town, and I'll be back as soon as I'm done with the dental. So see you in my next video. Bye.